Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this session I am going to discuss set in Python. So let's get started with the set. So what is set? A set is an unordered collection of items. Every element is unique in set. There will be no duplicates in set and set must be immutable. So it means set cannot be changed. However, the set itself is mutable. We can add or remove items from it. Sets can be used to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and symmetric difference, etc. So moving on to next topic, and that is how to create a set. So we can create set by two methods. So in the first method, we can create set by placing all items inside the curly braces and separated by commas. Or in the second approach, we can create set by function set. And set can have any number of items and they may be of different types. A set can have immutable elements like list, set or dictionary as its element. So let's open up the Sublime text and I will show you how do I create set in Python. So guys, we can create set in Python by using two approach. In the first approach, we can create set by placing item inside the curly braces and separated by commas, and in the second approach we can create set by using set function. So in this example I am going to create a set by using integers only and all the values are separated by commas, and in this statement I am printing it through the print function. So in this second example I am using mixed data type and here I am using integer, float, string and tuple. But in set we cannot have mutable elements like list, set or dictionary, so we are just passing tuple here. So and in this print function I am printing this set s2, and in the third example I am creating this set by using set function and I am passing a list here, and in this statement I am printing this set s3. So now if I run this code I am getting this first set by this print function, and this set I am getting from this print function, that is basically I am printing s2 here and this is the output for it, and this third set I am getting from this print function. So I hope it is clear to you. So guys, moving on to next topic, and that is no duplicates. So guys, set do not have duplicates, or we can say each item in set is unique. So I have made few duplicate entries in this set s1. So if I run this code I will get this set. You can clearly see this, all the duplicate entries are removed from this set. So now moving on to next topic, and that is no mutable items. So guys, set cannot have mutable items. So we can say that we cannot pass list, set or dictionary inside the set. So here I am passing a list here. So now if I run this code I will get an error because we cannot pass list in this set. So we can say that no mutables items are allowed within set. So now moving on to next topic, and that is empty set. So guys, creating an empty set is a little bit tricky. An empty curly braces will make an empty dictionary in Python. So here I have not passed any element inside these curly braces, and in the next statement I am printing it, and now I am checking the type of this es set. So now if I run this code I will get this empty dictionary. So this print statement basically printing the type of this es. Now to make a set without any elements we use the set function without any argument. So let's make some changes. So this is a set s1 and I am using this set function without any argument. So basically we are creating a set, basically an empty set. So this is basically in this statement I am printing the type of this s1 set. So now if I run this code I will get this empty set, and now this is the type of this S1 set. So we can create empty set by this set function, and we can check the type of this set by this type function. So now moving on to next topic, and that is indexing and slicing. So guys, sets are mutable, but since they are unordered, indexing have no meaning. So we cannot access or change an element of set using indexing or slicing. So we can say that set does not support indexing or slicing. So let's take an example of this. So I have created a set, and in this statement I am printing it, and now in this statement I want to access an element from this set that is at index 1. So now if I run this code, I will get an error, set object is not subscriptable. So we can say that indexing and slicing will not work in sets. So now moving on to next topic, and that is add single element to the set. So guys, we can add single element to the set by using add method. So we have created a set S1 here, and in the next statement I am printing it. So now I am adding 10 to this set S1 by using add method, and in the next statement I am printing this S1. So now if I run this code, I will get the output like this. So this is the set that I'm getting from this print function. So we have added 10 to this set S1, and I'm getting this output from this print function. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So now moving on to next topic, and that is add multiple elements. So guys, we can add multiple elements to the set by using update method. So we have created a set S1, and we have passed 3 elements to this set S1, and in this statement I am printing it. So now if I want to add multiple elements to this set S1, so I am using update method, and here I am passing a list. So now I am printing it, and the update method can take tuple, lists, string or other sets as its argument, but in all cases duplicates are avoided. So in this statement I am passing a list and a set. So now if I run this code, I will get output like this. So this is the first set that I am getting from this print statement, and this is the second set that I am getting from this print statement, and this is the last set that I am getting from this print statement. So I hope it is clear to you. So guys, that's the end of part 1 of set in Python, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and then I will see you then in the part 2 of set in Python.